Looking for flowers that can make your garden stand out? The right blooms can transform your garden into a stunning spectacle. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 show-stopping flowers that promise to elevate your floral displays. Stay tuned to discover these floral gems. Starting our list is the classic and radiant rose. Known for its striking colors and enchanting fragrance, this showstopper is a versatile addition to any garden. With its variety of hues, the rose effortlessly commands attention. With a rose in your garden, you're sure to turn heads. Next on our list is the lush and luxurious lily. With its tall stems reaching skyward, vibrant colors that capture the eye, and a certain elegance that is simply undeniable, it's a flower that truly transforms a garden. A lily in your garden is a surefire way to add a touch of luxury. Coming in at number 3 is the dazzling dahlia. This flower is known for its large, dramatic blooms that come in a variety of colors and shapes. From fiery reds to cool blues, dahlias bring an undeniable sense of drama. A dahlia is guaranteed to give your garden that wow factor. The 4th flower on our list is the gorgeous geranium. Renowned for its bright, cheerful blooms, this showstopper thrives in a variety of conditions. It's a hardy and versatile plant, bringing a splash of color to any garden. With geraniums, your garden will flourish with vibrant life. Last but definitely not least is the beautiful begonia. Adored for its lush foliage and stunning blooms, this showstopper brings a tropical feel to any garden. Its vibrant colors and varied shapes make every day feel like a holiday. With begonias, your garden becomes a tropical paradise. So, there you have it. 5 show-stopping flowers that can transform your garden into a stunning floral showcase. From the radiant rose, the lush lily, the dazzling dahlia, the gorgeous geranium, to the beautiful begonia. Each flower brings its unique charm and beauty to your garden. They not only add color and vibrancy, but also create a captivating spectacle that can leave anyone in awe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!